Hello everybody, this is CryptoMark, of course. Today is a video with 5 altcoins that have great potential for October, in my opinion, of course. These are altcoins that I would buy today because they may expect a nice increase in the coming months. First, a quick look at what is happening on the market today. There is hope. Ethereum is back to the levels of $3,500, the same Bitcoin 55, a few percent plus in the last day, where for a while we had a price even below 41. We might be back on the right track if we take the monthly Bitcoin chart, see what the high cap is. We have had a lot of falls in recent days. We have dropped from 52, 53, we are 10,000 less or about 20%, but anyway, I think there is still a lot ahead of us, and I hope what we are seeing here is a Bitcoin last shake to keep it growing. This is the market chart from the last year, 2.5 trillion we had capitalization. It shows for people who are new. Now it is 2.3 trillion, so we have 200 billions less. We even had 2 trillion and 350 billion, so we almost went back to these values, only that Bitcoin's dominance has declined and altcoins have been dominating in recent months, which is why such themes seem interesting to me, and you will soon find out why. We start today with the Blazel project by mega potential. It's easy in my opinion. If this market continues to grow with the market cap this project has, like only $62 million. We start with the Blazel project, mega potential. It's easy in my opinion. If this market continues to grow with the market cap this project has, it's over $60 million. It can do times X if this boom continues, maybe even more. Due to the fact that its market cap is really small, it's a great idea. I'm excited about this project. Rarely do I get excited about something. Blazel is still an underrated cryptocurrency. There is a top 500 somewhere quite far away, and you can buy it on Binance. In my opinion, in the coming months, if the market allows it, it can really achieve a lot. Just remember that this is only my opinion. What this project is. So, Blazel is a decentralized storage network for the creator economy, provides a high level of security, unmatched availability, and is censorship resistant. Whether you are an artist, a musician, scientist, publisher, businessman, or developer, the Blazel project protects the intellectual property of all creators. This is the keyword. It protects intellectual property, something that so many people strive for, who are afraid that something will leak, some data. Here they want to take care of it. Blazel allows you to store data, files, and more. It is also a specific thing for NFTs and DeFi. The core products of Blazel are data-bound and powered by Tendermint blockchain. We can distinguish Blazel DB, Blazer Oracles, and staking. So, Pavel Bains and Nerai Muraka founded Blazel to address the fragmented link given in the DeFi blockchain space. Both Pavel and Nerai have extensive technological experience with a proven track record of working with major global players. Pavel previously CEO founded StoryPanda, a digital book platform that attracts attention from titles such as DreamWorks, Warner Bros, etc., and others through a deep understanding of the financial aspects, has actively led the roles of CEO and CFO and Disney itself, serving budgets of tens of millions of dollars for as much as 4 continents. Nerjar is a computer systems engineer and architect with many years of experience in working with global players such as Google, IBM, Lufthansa. Also members of this team have worked for Disney, Sony, Google, Lufthansa, and Electronic Arts. They are winners of the Technology Pioneers Award, awarded by the Global Economic Forum. The team has 2 locations, first in Singapore and second one in Vancouver in Canada. Blazel is also supported by industry funds and venture capital. What makes this cryptocurrency unique is their network feed the entire ecosystem, so it's for proof of stake technology. They will become a validator as it is designed in such a way that is easy and not require a lot of technical knowledge. The vision is to create a network of tens of thousands of nodes working together to provide the most accessible and secure database in the world. Let's take a look at what it looks like on the chart. The project from 2018 has already worked somehow from the beginning, but from what I know and read, now a lot of things are happening and there is a lot of information, as you can see, from these drops and a strong rebound to almost a few things. Like high from the previous bull market, we now have an interesting purchase opportunity because the project is really low. It was only lower on this correction in June, July, and not that much because it cost 12 cents and now costs over 20 cents. So market cap in USDT is 62 millions. So even if the project did extend, it would not be in the top 100 yet. It would be more or less in 150th position, which is still not somehow high in the terms of what technology I show and what assumptions it has. The graph is the second cryptocurrency from the top 5 most interesting in October. What is this project? What are its strengths? You will find out soon. So Graph is an extended protocol for pulling data for networks like Ethereum, supporting many applications both in DeFi and the wider Web3 ecosystem. Anyone can create and publish open APIs called undergraphs to which applications can query using GraphQL to retrieve blockchain data. There is an in-production hosting service that makes it easier for developers to get started with this project. The decentralized network will be launched later this year. The graph itself is currently supporting data indexing from Ethereum among others, and more networks are coming soon. So far, thousands of developers have implemented over 3,000 subgraphs for dApps applications such as Uniswap and many others. The use of the project was growing at a pace over 50% month and month, and in September 20 it began to just break, like you see, records of popularity. Graph has a global community including over 200 indexing nodes in the test network and over 2,000 curators in the Curatorial program. So all collected since October 2020 to finance the development of the web. The graph has raised funds from community members, strategic ventures, capitals, etc. So it looks like that. Like you see on the chart, they are not that high. They were higher a few months ago, so it's looking really great. The third cryptocurrency worth buying in my opinion is Elrond, especially if someone is looking at a long-term investment. It is a blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speeds using sharding alone. The project defines itself as a technological ecosystem for the new internet that includes the fintech industry, decentralized finance, and the Internet of Things. Its smart contract execution platform is supported. It's supported very well. And there is over 15,000 transactions per second, a 6-second delay, and a transaction cost of $1,000. Their blockchain has a native token called eGold. It is used to pay network fees, staking and rewarding the validators themselves, who are the founders of this project. So it was funded in late 2017 by brothers Benjamin and Lucian Minsu, along with Lucian Todea, as a solution to the blockchain scalability problem they were using for the industry's most pressing problem at the time. Prior to Elrond, Benjamin and Lucian co-founded MetaChain Capital, a digital asset investment fund with Benjamin Minsu serving as CEO and Lucian Minsu as Director of Technology, and both CEO founders of the ICO market data. Benjamin Minsu was also responsible for the product marketing and community of the NEM blockchain platform, and he was an early investor in projects like Zilliqa, Binance, Tezos, and Brave. So, as you can see, it's just over $200 a piece now, position 39 in the ranking. If we take this overall chart, we can see that we are corrected from the all-time high literally 2 weeks ago. And we dropped to around 200. Now we are a little bit over, so it's an interesting moment to buy. Just a few days ago it was less than 200. We are growing quickly, so we have a good chance, a good time to buy this project. So the fourth project in today's ranking is Mina. You are probably interested in what this project is, and the protocol itself is called Mina. So Mina protocol, a minimal consist blockchain built to reduce computing requirements in order to run dApps more efficiently. Mina has been described as the lightest blockchain in the world, as its size is expected to remain the same despite scaling and increasing use around the world. And it is being balanced in the terms of security and decentralization itself. The project also underwent a rebranding and was renamed from Coda Protocol to Mina in October 2020. Mina's network is just 22 kilobytes in size, which is extremely tiny compared to Bitcoin's 300 gigabytes blockchain. So What is their main goal? Because that's the question you should ask yourself. They are working on creating an efficient distributed payment system that will allow users to natively verify the platform from the very beginning of the Genesis blockchain. And the first block, is technical documentation calls. It's a concise blockchain. The heart of the protocol is native currency, which acts as a utility coin and medium of exchange. So like you see, the market has verified that the project is value over 1 billion in capitalization. The price is almost $5 per one piece. As you can see, the project is growing steadily, more and more, noticing some correction, and we are currently doing such a correction because from above $6.5 we fell to the area of 4, so it's a good time to buy. The turnover is really high. Like you see, its volume is over 100 millions. That's a lot of money, so there is no need to be afraid of the liquidity of this asset. And the last coin, which is great to represent today, it's nice. It's really not that top on the CoinMarketCap ranking, so it's great to be early on some of these projects. Like you see, this is the platform, short for #1 crypto experts, aim to create a community of crypto talent, foresting a meeting ground for experts in various fields. Nice will become and driving force for future development of crypto projects, regardless of stage, size and use case. By doing so, it will allow experts to share their expertise with others in need of it, in addition to providing a steady foundation for learning and professional growth. The NICE community has its doors open to anyone willing to join as a community member or a specialist upon passing the vetting procedure. So price for it is really low. It's not even 1/100 of a dollar, of a cent. So it's a really great opportunity to check it out, to maybe buy it. They also have a page, you can check it out, nice community. And that's all. If you do not have any cryptocurrencies exchanges yet, don't hesitate to just register from my link under this video on Binance. You can find there over 350 really different cryptocurrencies, so everyone will find something great for him. That should be enough for this video. To hear in the next episode. Bye.